Okay, so here is the next part of our lesson. I can determine the slope, which is m, between two proportional quantities and write an equation in the form is equal to y is equal to mx to represent the relationship. So we went over slope, and so now we're going to do slope from a graph. And what we have to do is identify two clear points on the line. Let's call them point 1, which is x1 and y1, and point 2, which is x2 and y2. We're going to use the coordinates of these points to find the change in y, and then we're going to do the change in x. So let's see what this looks like. So first we have to find 2 points on the graph and use the formula. So my formula is the change in y, which is y2 minus y1. Sorry, sorry, over x2 minus x1. So here is our graph and our line. So if we number these, here's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our first point is right here. Put this one red. The coordinates are 1 and 1. So we're going to call this x and y. And then our next point is we start at the origin, go over 3. So this one is 1, 1. And this one, let me change the color. So this one is 3. Sorry, 3. So this is x and y. So this would be x1, y1. This would be x2, y2. So our change in y, which is y2, which is 3, 1, which is 2, over x2, which is 3, minus 1, which is 2. So our slope is 2 over 2, which is 1 over 1, which is just 1. So option 2 is to use the graph and count the boxes and use the formula. So the vertical change, which is up and down, and the horizontal change in left and right. And you remember this one is rise. So we're going up and down over run, which is left and right. So our first point is right at the origin. So our first point is 0, 0. And then what is our second point? So this is -1, -2. So second point is -2, comma, and then we go up 1, 2, 3, +3. So it doesn't matter which one you start at. So let me change colors again. So my rise, if I start here, my rise, I can't go up, I'm going down. I'm going 1, 2, 3. Since I'm going down, my rise is -3. Yep, 1, 2, 3. my run, change colors again, give it black. 1, 2. So I got -3/2. And let me just do it one more way. I'm going to choose a different color. Let's choose purple. And say -3/2. So let's try it. Let me erase some of this stuff because now it's going to look crazy. So I'm going to go from here. I'm going to go from this dot to this dot. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I went down -6. And then I'm going in the positive direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I divide, I divide by 2/2, which is -3/2. So let's see what happens if I go the other direction. So I'm going to erase one more time. And start with this one. So I'm going to go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I went up 6. It's +6. But now I'm going in a negative direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. -4. Same thing. Divide by 2/2. And that is a +3, -2. So, yep, no matter what I do, I still get those. So my slope is -3/2. Right, I will leave it because I know I got a lot running. So basically what I want you to know is this one, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Or you can just do rise over run. Either or works, but this is the one you are expected to know. Get your notes. Get your notes. Notes you get. Get your notes. Notes get. Get your notes. Do 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 do.